Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. I hope you are all doing well. So in this video we will fix a relatively common error which you get when you try to use Futurerestore GUI or Futurerestore CLI to downgrade your device using Futurerestore, and this error specifically comes on Linux. So as you can see, I am running Futurerestore GUI, and despite my device is connected via USB, I am getting this can't initiate no device found error, and I am getting the same error with the Futurerestore CLI version. As you can see it right here on your screen. Now guys, first of all open Google and search for Futurerestore nightly, and you'll find this very first link. Get to it. This is the official link, and the method shown in this video is completely free. Now from here get the latest release for Futurerestore. Now once complete, open the folder from here and you'll find this zip file. Simply right click it and then extract here. You'll find this tar.xz file. Simply right click, extract here, and you'll find this folder here, and within this folder you'll find linux_fix.sh. Simply right click here and open a new terminal. Now type sudo space bash space, and then you can simply drag the linux_fix.sh here and press enter. Make sure your device is already connected via USB, and then press enter, and then wait for the process to finish as this script applies fixes to USB. Alright, once it is complete, you will simply have to unplug your device and then replug your device. This is very important. Once done, you can close out of it. Now let's try to rerun Futurerestore GUI. So I will simply start from where we left, and you can see the process is now ongoing. The error is now fixed. The same is with the Futurerestore CLI. You can see the process is now ongoing without any problem. Moreover guys, if you ever encounter similar errors, you can also try to restart USB Mux G. You can simply open a new terminal and then type this command sudo systemctl space stop space USB Mux G and press enter, and then run the second command sudo USB Mux D space -p space -f and press enter, and simply keep this terminal minimized. That's all for this video guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.